Hello, I'm Mommy Bear. Hello, I'm Baby Bear. And this is Daddy Bear.
Hello, Mummy, Daddy, Baby, and other one.
We're going to show you a song, a story.
Okay.
About Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Hello, I'm Goldilocks. And the three bears went to cave. Is she here yet? You say yeah, Daddy.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Wave to me, bears.
Whoa! You say next to her. She's there. Go! It's my turn. Just slap her. It's my turn to slap her.
Headbutt.
Whoa! Stand up. Hello! La 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 la. I'm walking away. No, you went out. We went out now. La 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 la. I'm gonna have some pellets. Ooh, that is too hot. That is too cold. This is just right. Ooh, I can have that. That's too big. That's too. This is too small. And then Mommy Bear is just right. Now this bed isn't nice. This bed is too big. This bed's too hard. This bed's just right. Are you came? No, we came. Where's my porridge? Nope, don't get burgers there. Where's my porridge?
We don't know. Where is
No,
your
you
porridge?
go at the end, I go in the middle. Hello. Where's our porridge? My chair's broken. My chair's feeling. No, we say the porridge. My chair's broken. Is it? His chair's broken.
Who must have done that? Let's go search around the house.
Let's go upstairs first. Mommy, somebody's sleeping in your bed. Oh no, they didn't. They're not us, that's Goldilocks.
Then say the end.
The end.
Now stand up and take a bow, both of you. Come out, take a bow. Down the front.
Round here, Lou. No, we can do it again. Hello? Oh, don't forget the puppets. And go next. Gang!
Yay!